Bira Grace chairperson w'abantu abarikutuura omu nsiisira yashoborra ngu ekikoba kyabahoha mutwe wanyuma y'okuhindurwa kwa Deputy RDC Mubingwa Zephanas okutwarwa mu disitulikiti ya Terego kandi obwo enshonga zaabo ez'ebyamataka zitakahendeire.
But to our dismay, the greatest shock we have got is that he has been transferred. Now our problem is, this is a man who have been moving with to end these issues, to mobilize for this country. He's being taken to Terego, very far from here. Now we are worried, somebody who is coming here, where will he start from?
Bira nashoborra ngu n'amagara n'emiturire y'abaana baabo bikahinduka abw'okuba bwahati tibakizaho ishomero abw'okuba batwire omu kampu egyo okumara obwire buringwa.
Our families are just there. That means children will not go to school. This term they've not gone, and the next term probably, because of the time we have spent here. So we are saying government has always been quick to things that have happened like this. But when it comes to Kasese, we have seen that there is nothing quicker that can be attended to.
Amugambaho n'abanyamakuru aha ofisi ye entuma y'omwembezi w'ihango mu disitulikiti ya Kasese Lieutenant Joe Walusimbi yashoborra ngu ebyempinda hinduka ebi n'ebya butosha n'atangara aha bwaki abantu nibabihakanisa n'okubyesharingira.
And whoever posted to any place has the capacity of handling each and everything. Like me, I found some cases which were some 20 years back. I just inherited them. And where will stop, somebody will come, we'll start from there. I see no reason why they say that my brother Mubing was transferred, that is the end of there. Because this thing has been there for almost 18 years.
Abikwatirine n'okwigura ensharosharo z'itaka. Entuma y'omwembezi w'ihango mu disitulikiti ya Kasese ogwo yashoborra ngu bariyo nibakwatanisa n'aba ministry ey'ebyamataka okurebeka ngu enshonga egi yagenda kurungi.
Enkoko issue, the coordinates were picked and Kabukero. Everything is done. For Ibuga, there was a court order which was brought to a DSC. And then they went and petitioned it in the court. So we are waiting to get a judgment over it.
Yahabrabo abarikwesharinga ngo babe abagumisiriza arikushoborra gavumenti eriyo nekora n'amaani okubaasa okubafurura okubarondera emyanya ey'oburamazi. Tayari West yahiza kucetegereza ngo abantu abarikuhingura 35,000 baba bakambikire aha ofisi ya RDC omuri Kasese. Gashakwa ali naitwe Godwin Bwambale omuri Kasese.